Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? Didn't mean to scare you if I did, but today I'm here with this company, Asteria hair. That's the name of the company that we're with today, and I am so excited for this package, guys. This is some inches, so I'm very excited for this video. You know, and today I want to actually try out some crimps. I've never done crimps. 28 inches is what we got today, honey. All right, I believe this is some straight hair. I'm gonna put all the specifications to it down below. In terms of what else is into the box here, we have some wig cap. Wig cap is a must in the hair packages. Like, it's just a must. Okay, it's a must. And then we have a little information card here. Human hair wigs, asteriahair.com. It has their social media, stuff like that on the front. We also have this bag on the inside, so I feel like this is, I actually save these bags, even these bags that the hair come in, I save them so that when I wash my wig, I can put them and store them back into these places. And I have like some plastic containers. I have some containers that I store my wigs and everything in. Yeah, so this is branded Asteria, just for your beauty. That's what it says. It's a nice drawstring, really cute. And I receive a little extra elastic band. You know, that's also a must, because in case you need extra security, they have your back. All right, so let's jump into this here and let's see what this is all about. As you can see, the lace looks pretty good. Definitely sure I'm not going to be tinting this today, because look at that. It's flawless on my skin. Flawless. What lace? What lace, guys? Yeah, man. I like how the company them a step up them thing, because this is lit. It's nicely pre-plucked. Very nicely. No, man. Y'all seen this? I really honestly don't believe I have to go in and do anything further with this hairline. That's looking like gorgeous. And this is the inside. It has 3 combs in total. Nicely constructed wig. And it has adjustable straps in the back. Also, the hair is feeling pretty good. And as we know, this is a really long hair, man. And it's a natural color, 1B color, and they have layers. This has layers, honey. Has layers. Oh my gosh, I love this. So what I'm happy about with this is that it has a lot of space that goes back, like a lot of parting space. It's a free part, as you saw, but it comes all the way back. I love how deep it is. So I'm gonna be doing a center part today, and then I want to do like brush back vibes, but we're gonna be crimping up everything. But first I'm going to just get a decent parting. I'm not the best at making straight parts, but I'm gonna try, and I'll sleek it down, use my hot comb, stuff like that, to really just get it as laid as I possibly can.
What time it is? Marvin Devine, Huber, Axel, and you know how we do. Yeah, I got the juice. Whip game cool, make them look like cool. Always play it cool, that's the biggest rule. Fuck that, what they doing, keep on doing.
So you guys see all this goodness. Oh my god. This is just gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go in start crimping this. It's really nice. The feel is really nice. So for the crimper I'm using today, it's pretty hot. I had it in for a while. It doesn't have a gauge. I just literally plug it in and it's on. This is a hand-me-down. This is over a decade. We've had this for over a decade from my mother. She has a lot of beauty equipment because she did cosmetology in the past. So I have this, I have one, flat irons and stuff. So this brand is actually Sizzle. Never really heard about it anywhere else, but hey, this is the crimper we're working with today, and we're gonna get to crimping. I mean, I can only imagine that this is gonna take a while because we'll have to go through this section by section. So let's go. And it's pretty, you know, it's pretty easy to do. Nothing to it. You literally just clamp on the hair in sections. So, and I'm gonna be using a little bit of my Got2b for extra hold on the hair, as you know, because it's straight hair. So let go.
I've been making loot since like 22. Ask me how I made it right here in the booth. I'm always pursued cause of what I pursue. That's greatness, yeah, I gotta make it, I got things to lose. Boy, wanna get in my crew, but you can't get in my crew. Me, XL and Hoover, way too fireable. When this joint drop, better call the troops. And when you hear the drop, better raise the roof. Better raise the roof. You already know what happens when we link up. Let's go. Yeah, I got the juice. Yeah, I got the juice. Big game cool, make them look like cool. Always play it cool, that's the biggest rule. Forget what they doing, keep on doing. I've been making loot since like 22. Ask me how I made it right here in the booth. I'm always pursued cause of what I pursue. That's greatness, yeah, I gotta make it, I got things to lose. Boy, wanna get in my crew, but you can't get in my crew. Me, XL and Hoover, way too fireable. When this joint drop, better call the troops. And when you hear the drop, better raise the roof. Better raise the roof. You already know what happens when we link up. Let's go. Yeah, I got the juice. Yeah, I got the juice. Big game cool, make them look like cool. Always play it cool, that's the biggest rule. Forget what they doing, keep on doing.
See, I'm currently installing the hair, and let me tell you something about this lace. This is one of the best laces I've dealt with so far. This is HD, and it's so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, once I spray the Got2b on it, it melts right into the skin. It mirrors the skin. Actually, it's like, is there even a lace? And I'm not even exaggerating, because I'm going to be sure to get up close when I'm done so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. This lace is gorgeous. It's so easy to work with. and I'm just happy that I got a chance to play with this quality, because this is lit. It's really, really nice. I love the feeling of it. It's really nice. So shout out to Asteria here for that. As you know, I'm doing the regular in terms of installation. Again, I will not stop repeating it. If you guys need a detailed installation tutorial, you know, beginners friendly as well, then I'll link that video down below. Very detailed, step by step, give you the full tea. So check out that video now. So I am all done. It goes all the way past my waist. It is gorgeous. It's the first time actually doing crimps ever, like the very first time. For my first time, I don't think I did bad at all. You know, as time go by and you do more of something, then you get better at it. But I don't think I did bad at all. But I am so in love with the lace. I'm happy I could experiment with something this long. It is gorgeous. I love it. It is just stunning. Thank you again, Asteria here. Guys, you need to check this hair out, especially if you want to get inches and go like, once this quarantine is over and you want to just live your best life and just show out, get snatched, this is the hair. This is it. This is it. This is gorgeous. This is just like, honey, you can't talk to me. Like, I got inches. Like, what? Like, me? You talking to me? I'm sorry. All this inches really just blocked my herring. Joke. No, but like, yo, this is really gorgeous. As you can see, I'm rocking a very simple beat. Very, very simple beat. And, you know, it's nothing too serious. I don't really have anything else to say other than if you're interested in this hair, go in my description box, check out all the details on it, all the specifications on it is listed down below, you know. And that's pretty much the vibe for today's video. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you learned something, if you enjoyed it, thumbs up this video. Your support is always so appreciated. So thank you guys so much for sticking around and staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because I do upload very frequently, and at least I am uploading every single week over on my vlog channel, so you need to check that out as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. So that's the vibes. But yeah, so I guess I'll catch you in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.